Hello, hello, and welcome back. It's your girl Yolasandy, and I'm back here with you today. And I'm here to talk about, of course, another mask. Yes. I am the mask queen, possibly. I don't know. But anyway, as you guys may know, that we are coming upon a new season, right? And because we're coming upon a new season, that we're encroaching upon the fall, autumn season, and we're saying goodbye to summer. This past weekend was the last weekend of summer, and autumn is going to be starting, of course, on Wednesday. So how cool would it be to introduce a whole plethora of cool masks? Some masks, maybe some masks that you're familiar with, some masks you might not be familiar with. But another cool thing that has started this season, and this is something that I am into, that I'm sure some of you out there might be into, maybe some of your teenagers are into, is Fortnite. I said it, Fortnite. And I usually have my t-shirt on. I don't have it with me today. I need to show it, but I do have a mask that I would like to dedicate to Fortnite Season 8. And, you know, there's a bunch of crazy things happening and going on with that season. I'm not going to go too far into that because my thing is mask, hydration, skincare. But I've had my kids being like, mommy, talk about this mask, talk about this mask. Ooh, and make sure you talk about Fortnite. Well, I'm doing it today. Okay, I'm doing it right now. All right. And since basically I have brought up Fortnite, one of my favorite characters that came into Fortnite is Dr. Sloan. And I believe that she is there this season. She's awesome. She's amazing. So I'm dedicating my mask to Fortnite. I'm dedicating my mask to Dr. Sloan. And I'm definitely dedicating this mask to you all out there who may be dealing with some dryness. That is dehydration of the skin. You might be dealing with a dull complexion. You might be dealing with uneven skin tone. You might be dealing with pores that might be full of some debris here and there. Maybe acne prone, maybe some acne that might be major in areas, maybe acne that might be minor in some areas. But whatever the case is, I've got a cool mask for you today that's going to just help you with all of those concerns. Okay, so basically I did talk about we're going to be going into a new season, and our new season is going to begin in the fall, and that's coming up this week, so you guys get ready. So how have you been doing with your skin lately? Have you tried a new skincare regimen? Have you added some products in? Have you noticed a few differences with your skin in terms of the season transitioning from more of a warmer climate to now we're getting in some of the cooler days, maybe cooler nights, and you've noticed some tightness and dryness around the corners of the nose. Maybe you've had some dryness here on the cheeks, on the chin, on the forehead. And if you're experiencing that, like I said, I've got the great mask that's going to answer the questions for you. So guess what I have? Guess what I have? Guess what the product is? Guess what the product is? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. All right. The mask is a brand. Well, the brand of the mask is amazing. It's a very, very popular brand. The brand is called Boscia. And the mask that I'm going to talk to you about today is the Luminizing Black Mask. Yes, it's this baby right here. Oh, yes. Mask is incredible, guys. But before I go into just showing you a little bit about the mask, what skin types is it for? It's for all skin types. I said it. Yep. All skin types. So that is normal, oily, combination, dry, sensitive. I think I named all of them. All skin types, okay? All. So it is retailed value at $34. I'll say it again. It's retail valued at $34. So it's a great price, reasonably priced. It's an incredible mask. It can speak to anyone pretty much, particularly of any age, just about. I'm talking about if you have your teenagers and they're beginning to get acne, you're starting to see a couple of places in the T-zone area where they may have some breakouts, or around the cheek area where it's a little red or dry, or you're starting to notice in this area here along the chin area, if your teenager is into sports, any type of activities, where they're sweating, because you know the sweat, when you do sweat, It runs along the forehead line and pretty much here and then there, sometimes on the nose. I mean, pretty much wherever. But if they're sweating a lot, this is a great mask for them. So what are the 2 ingredients that we want to talk about? Because we only want to spend time with 2 ingredients. And the 2 ingredients that I want to speak to you about today are vitamin C and the activated charcoal, which is inside of this awesome Boscia mask. So anyway, starting with the activated charcoal, that's going to help with absorption of dirt and excess oil. You know, like I said, if you've got your teenager who's in any extracurricular activities where it's promoting a lot of sweat, basketball, soccer, etc., or if you're someone who's active, you know, exercising, or you're doing some type of activities where you sweat a lot, you know, excessive oil, sometimes you have a lot of debris that may get left behind from those extracurricular activities. You've got to find a way to remove the debris from the pores. So this mask is going to speak to that. But also it's going to help to remove the impurities and detoxifying. It's going to help to exfoliate, removing dead skin cells. It's going to help to refine the appearance of the pores instantly and over time. So over time means gradually. You know, oftentimes with any type of new skincare that you're trying, whether it be a product or a regimen, you know, you want to take it slow, take notice of what your skin is doing, make sure that it is reacting the way that you want to. And just take it easy. And also make sure that you remain patient. You know, sometimes you'll have instant results, but oftentimes you may not have results overnight. Like it may take a gradual time. Some masks you can use, you can see an instant appearance of glow, even brightening. This does have lactic acid in it, and lactic acid does help with removing the dead skin cells, and also it helps to kind of promote brightness. So you may see that with this mask too. But also it has vitamin C. So vitamin C, like I was talking about brightness, vitamin C helps to promote radiance. So you're going to see some radiance too. If you want to, you can apply this mask here into the T-zone, apply it into the cheek area, or wherever you find that you're excessive with sweating and having, you know, those acne prone type of breakouts. It could be all over. It could be targeted areas, but you can do that. And we'll get into that in just a moment. But also the vitamin C is going to promote brightness. It's going to promote freshness. It's going to promote clean. If you're someone who's noticing maybe a few fine lines, some wrinkles, it's going to help with helping to minimize fine lines as it helps to defend against the free radical damage that happens. And, you know, when we're exposed to many things and stressors in our environment, we're going to deal with some type of things. We're going to see dullness. We're going to see premature aging. We're going to start to experience some of those things with our skin. So this mask is going to help to minimize and help to alleviate some of those concerns. So how do you use this mask? Well, let's get into the cool part now. So you're going to apply a thick, even layer of the mask. Okay. So I'm going to open it up. Okay. And we want to apply a thick, even layer. And so I've got like a little board here that I want to demonstrate it onto instead of onto my skin. I usually do that. But I'm going to put it onto here. So I have my nice brush, and I'm going to actually go ahead and I'm going to apply it onto the brush, as you can see. All right. And there you go. See? So if you were actually taking it and say this was your skin, you can go ahead and just apply it onto the skin. So now, in terms of that, where are you going to apply it and how? Okay, it's a very thick mask. It takes about 30 minutes to set. So guess what? You want to put a nice layer onto clean, dry skin. You want to put it onto clean, dry. So you want to apply it onto clean, dry skin. That is very, very important that you do that. You want to prep the skin. But also once you do that, you want to allow it to sit on the skin for about 30 minutes. And once you leave it onto the skin for 30 minutes, these are the places. Shh, 30 minutes, yes. Please sit down. I'm going to be finished in just a second. Shh. So when you apply this mask, as I was saying before, you want to apply it, but remember to avoid the eyebrows. avoid the hairline. You want to, if you're a gentleman, if you're a male and you have beard hair, you want to avoid the bearded area too, because this mask is a peel-off mask. It's a peel-off mask. So with this being said, that it's going to, you're going to be able. So you want to make sure that you avoid and keep it onto the skin for half an hour, and avoid the hairline, avoid the eyebrows, avoid any places where you have hair in terms of that, because you don't want to pull the hair out of the follicle. It can be very, very painful. But once you've done that and you've left it on for 30 minutes, you know, once you have removed that, you're going to peel that mask away. And if I could be here for 30 minutes to talk with you, to show you, I would do that. But I know that we don't have a lot of time. If you love me that much, hey, reach out to me in the comments. Tell me you want to see this mask. You want me to apply it on and see what's going to happen when we peel it off. And I will do a show dedicated to it for 30 minutes. I guarantee you I will do it. I will do it. I will do it. But in any event, remove any residue that is left off there. Rinse it off with slightly to cool to warm water, followed with moisturizer, eye cream, and a serum. And watch the order in which you're going to do it. The benefits of the mask is that it's reasonably priced at $34, and you're going to notice a luminous, you're going to notice a flawless and glowing complexion. And that is exactly what we want to target. We want luminosity. We want beautiful glow in that presentation. And we want to have a nice, wonderful, tight complexion. It's going to continue to help with acne-prone skin in terms of helping you to remove the debris from the skin, okay? So as I close for today, as always, I just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot thank you all enough for what you do, how you support me, how you appreciate me, because guess what? I really, really and truly appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day, out of your month, out of your year, however it will be, to spend just a little time with me. And I will just close with you on a little nugget for the day, that you'll face many defeats in life. You will. You know, storms will come and they will go. But never let yourself, and I mean this, never let yourself be defeated, ever. If you fall down, don't stay there. Get back up and do it all over again, or try it again. Never let yourself be defeated in life, never. So, like I said, you'll face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. And that is from the great, 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 great Maya Angelou. And on that note, have a great day, and I will see you all. I'll see you next time. Thank you, and bye-bye.